Hi, it's Chris from Spring Hill Marketing, back with some more online marketing tips and tricks. Today I just wanted to quickly take you through consistency in online marketing and the importance of it. Consistency is one of the keys to success with online marketing for a few reasons. One of the first is testing. Without testing and without trialing different hypotheses when it comes to your marketing solutions, it's impossible to get to the most optimized results and the most optimized solutions. Without testing, you really don't know whether you're choosing the right channel. By channel I mean marketing activity, whether that is search engine optimization, social advertising, blog posting, direct mail, whatever it might be. You don't know that you're choosing the right channel for your business to maximize leads and sales for your business without really testing it and knowing whether you're choosing the right direction and the best solution. Testing means you try different channels, but it also means that you're trialing different approaches to that same channel. So when it comes to pay-per-click advertising, we have A/B split testing. So we show different versions of adverts to people who are searching for the same keywords on Google. And we're showing different landing pages to the people who are searching for particular services or products. Then after time, and we have all the data that's come in and we've tested a large enough group of prospects, we can then tell whether a particular advert A or advert B, or landing page A or landing page B, has performed the best. And without doing that, you just don't know. All of the experience in the world, all of the best ideas in the world need to be tested. Okay, so that brings me on to the second most important thing when it comes to consistency in online marketing. Everything that you're doing builds trust, and it's really important that trust is very high up in your list of marketing objectives. Without trust, you don't have an inquiry. Without trust, you don't have a sale. Without trust, you don't have any time on site. So the people who are visiting your website and then are considering your services or your products don't have trust in your brand, don't have trust in what you're saying or the descriptions of your services or the product, and they don't have that trust, so they're clicking off the site. It means you have really high bounce rates on your Google Analytics, and that's a sign that you don't have trust, you don't have engagement. An example of consistency on online marketing might be being found on Google consistently when people are searching for your services, rather than 1 month being there, 1 month not, 1 month being at the top, 1 month not, being found for 50% of your services or products and not the rest. Without that consistency, it's really difficult for your prospects and your customers to trust what you're saying and trust your offering. So consistency is key when it comes to trust. And finally, the third thing that you need to consider when it comes to consistency is time. When you're consistent, you're giving something time to grow, something time to develop, something time to be optimized, and so that you're absolutely hitting something at the right level. It's really, really important in marketing. There's no overnight successes in marketing anymore. Again, like testing, we have a lot of the resources and a lot of the answers and a lot of the experience already to know what is right and what you should be trying. But without giving something the time to develop and turn into a really successful end solution that's had every direction tested with consistency, and being able to know that you are going in the right direction and you've exhausted every opportunity and you've given something the time it needs to grow So give this some thought. Let me know if you have any questions. If you need help with your online marketing, if you need to drive more high quality traffic to your website, let us know. Drop your questions at the bottom of this video on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. Make an inquiry through our website. Give us a call. Book a strategy session with myself or the team. Check us out on all the different social media and on our website. Let us know about your business and what your challenges are in marketing at the moment, what your aims are, and we'll help you to choose the right solutions for you, tell you where you're going wrong. We have lots of resources on our website where we can provide free audits and opportunity reports for your business. So check us out, let us know, and speak to you really soon. Thanks, bye.